Who says you can't have it all? Well, the Pine Mill you certainly can. The epitome of luxurious living in the charming city of Lincoln. Featuring a premium array of en-suites, this exceptional residence boasts a plethora of modern amenities crafted for unparalleled comfort. Whip up delectable meals in the fully fitted kitchen and share laughter over food in the communal dining area. Seamlessly stream your favorite shows and excel in your academic pursuits with high-speed Wi-Fi and internet. Then unwind and socialize in the cozy lounges after a fulfilling day at the university. And rest assured, safety and security take top priority, with stringent measures in place to ensure a protected environment. Speaking of location, the University of Lincoln and Bishop Grosseteste are mere minutes away, making your daily scholarly commute a breeze. Pine Mill offers not just a place to live, but a vibrant social scene nestled in the heart of a bustling community. Craving a caffeine fix or a snug spot to unwind? Look no further than Morrison's Cafe, renowned for its aromatic brews and inviting ambience just around the corner. From savory delights at Toby Carvery Lincoln to sumptuous breakfasts at Churchill's Restaurant, culinary adventures await at every turn. Plus, enjoy unprecedented convenience and savings with various commuting options conveniently close to your future home away from home. So does it check all the boxes for you? If so, head straight to amberstudent.com to secure your ideal stay in Pine Mill Lincoln today.